Okay, so welcome you guys to this week's 5 minute millionaire mentor journey that I'm on with Ty Lopez. So I've done a couple different iterations, and this is like take three or take four. But anyway, okay, so I wanted to boil down the four basic principles that I've learned so far going through Ty's 5 minute millionaire mentor program. Because now there's going to be more. I take notes every time I watch a video, but there's a recurring theme. So whenever you watch something or you take any course, whenever there's a recurring theme, those are the highlights that you have to mark down and you have to get good at. So the first one is consistency. You have to be consistency. It's one of my biggest flaws. I am not consistent with a lot of things. I'm like a squirrel, so I'm always chasing the next bright, shiny object. You can ask Travis, my mentor, with the Success Academy. That's what I did. That's why it took me so much longer than the average student takes to learn Travis's program. So consistency, you have to be consistent in anything you do. If you think about it, when I was in the military and when I had a job, I was consistent. Even my contracting business, I'm consistent with it. I consistently log into the computer. I look at my cases, I do my work, and I'm consistent with it. What I'm not consistent with is my business life, my personal business, my other streams of income, my JPCashFlow, my Success Academy. I'm much more consistent than I used to be. But even this Ty Lopez program, I'm not consistent in watching his 5 minute videos every time they come out, because they come out every day. It takes 5 minutes. And what I do is I don't watch them every day. And at the end of the week, I end up watching 25 minutes worth of videos. So it doesn't make sense. You have to stay consistency. So that's basic principle number one. Basic principle number two that I've learned is psychology. You have to learn not only your own psychology, you have to figure out your own psychology. You have to learn the psychology of others. And Ty has a great test that you can take. I'm going to leave a link below. I'm going to take that test today. It's a very quick psychology test, and it'll teach you about your own psychology that you have to know before you can learn the psychology of others. And that leads to the third thing, you have to be a sales machine. You can't be a great sales machine if you don't know the psychology of yourself or others. You have to be likable. So now I know sales always comes with a negative connotation. A lot of people don't like sales. I'm one of them. I didn't like sales, but what I found was one of the biggest things about being a sales machine is you have to have certainty. And if you don't have certainty, you can't sell. And what that means is if you don't believe in the product, a long time ago, I did multi-level marketing businesses. I did 2 different ones, and I never really believed in the product. So it was very difficult for me to share it. And so I wasn't a great salesman, and that's what it takes. You have to be a salesman. And I got news for you. We're all salespeople. We do it every single day. You don't realize it, but you do it every day. You do it at work every day. You sell your coworkers and your boss on things. You do it every single day. No matter where you go, you are selling. Now it's time to take advantage of selling for your family's financial future, because that's what's going to create multiple streams of income. And I can easily recommend Ty's program because everything I've done so far with Ty has been a home run. It pays off, and I'm starting to see the fruits of my labor, not in a lot, but a little, and I'm starting to see little bits come through. So you have to be a sales machine. And the last thing is you have to have a mentor. Mentors are going to get you through tough times. My biggest mentor is Travis. I also have Ty as a mentor now because I'm in business with him as an affiliate. And, really, James, my partner at JPCashFlow, is a mentor of mine. I watch what he does and how he generates revenue, and he has multiple streams of income. He's doing great on his sales through Amazon. He's doing great on his sales through Etsy. And that's fantastic. So I really have 3 mentors. They're not competing mentors. They all have the same principles. And you have to have a mentor if you're going to get through these programs. If you're going, not just through these programs, but if you're going to succeed in life, you have to have a mentor, and that mentor cannot be someone equal to yourself. When it comes to Ty and Travis, they are at a level that is so far above me, but it's a level I want to get to. So that's where your mentor's got to be. So that's it. I'm at 4:58. That's the end of my video. If you stayed to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. Send me an email at peter@JPCashFlow.com, and I'm going to give you my successful investing 101 blueprint. This is what I've learned over the last 7 years through Travis and other programs, but mainly through Travis. And it's going to give you the exact blueprint I followed. It's going to give you all the things that I did that didn't work, so you can sidestep those failures. And I'm going to give it to you for free. Just send me an email. That'll put your email on my email list, and I'll send you that out. A free bonus. We'll give you my successful investing 101 blueprint. And I don't really advertise this, but I hate to say it, but in this market crash, when a lot of people lost money, I made a lot of money, and that's because of this blueprint. And now my accounts are set up. If the market it has rebounded, and if it continues to rebound, I'm going to make even more money. So that's what that blueprint's going to show you. It's going to show you how to do what I did, and it's going to give you the exact steps that I took. And if you follow that blueprint, I can't by law guarantee anything, but if you follow that blueprint in a year, 2 years time, you'll be sitting right. Actually, you'll probably pass me out. So, which is what Travis and I always hope happens. So, you guys take care. I'll see you in next week's video.